In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your PowerPoint presentation to portrait orientation in just about 5 minutes. Starting off, let's dive into why you'd want to change your PowerPoint presentation from the default landscape orientation to portrait. Most of the time, presentations are made in landscape mode, given its wide format that's ideal for most display screens and devices. However, there are instances where portrait orientation fits better, especially if you're aiming to print your slides as handouts, flyers, or even if your content suits a more vertical layout, such as infographics or posters. Now let's get started on how to make this adjustment with ease. The first step is to open your Microsoft PowerPoint application. This is pretty straightforward. Just find the PowerPoint icon on your computer and give it a click to get it up and running. If you're using Windows, you can also search for it in the Start menu, and if you're on Mac, you can find it in your Applications folder or launch it via Spotlight. Upon opening PowerPoint, you'll be greeted with the opening screen. This is where you can access recent files or open a new presentation. At this point, you want to open the presentation you wish to change to portrait orientation. Navigate through the interface to locate and open your desired file. If it's a new project, simply select a new presentation to get started. With your presentation open, the next step is to navigate to the Design tab. This tab is easily found at the top menu of PowerPoint and is dedicated to customizing the look and feel of your slides. Once you click on the Design tab, you'll find various options to enhance your presentation's appearance. Now, look for the slide size option within the Design tab. It might not jump out at you immediately, but it's there, usually located somewhere in the toolbar. The slide size button is your gateway to adjusting the dimensions and orientation of your slides. After clicking on slide size, a menu will appear. From this menu, you want to select custom slide size. This option takes you to a dialog box where you can precisely define your slide setup. Inside the custom slide size dialog box, you'll find the option to change the orientation of your slides. Here you'll see two orientation choices, landscape and portrait. Since we're focusing on setting our slides to portrait orientation, go ahead and check the box for portrait. After selecting portrait, all that's left is to click OK. This action will prompt PowerPoint to adjust all your slides to the portrait orientation. It's worth mentioning that changing the orientation might affect the layout of your existing content, so you might need to adjust some elements manually to ensure everything looks as intended. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your PowerPoint presentation to portrait orientation. This quick adjustment can significantly impact how your content is presented and perceived. On that note, always consider your audience and the final display method when deciding between landscape and portrait orientations. Remember, PowerPoint is a powerful tool that offers a plethora of customization options to help you deliver your message effectively. Don't hesitate to explore other features and tools within PowerPoint to make your presentations even more compelling. And that wraps up our guide on how to set your PowerPoint presentation to portrait orientation. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this video has been helpful and encourages you to play around with different orientations for your presentations. PowerPoint's flexibility in allowing such adjustments can boost the effectiveness and engagement level of your presentation, ensuring your message is both seen and remembered just the way you intended. Happy presenting!